Hello, my name is Will. In my last video, I talked about the confusing and mixed signals we were getting from our health officials in regards to wearing face masks or not. The topic with face masks has currently exploded as we understand that both the N95 respirators and surgical face masks should only be used by our health professionals and first responders. It is now time for us to make our own homemade face masks. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to make a quick face mask. All you need is a bandana, such as the one I'm wearing right now. You obviously shouldn't wear it like this because it's too thin, but this is what I'm using and suggesting for you guys to use as well. So it's a bandana. It's considered a face shield as well. I'll give you the link to this company below the description. 2 pieces of rope, about 2 feet each. Or if you don't have rope, use 2 rubber bands or 2 hair elastics, which will be safer for your hair. And finally, twist ties or reusable twist ties. I would recommend using this instead because they're a lot sturdier than the flimsy twist ties, but they should work as well. So let's get started, shall we? This homemade face mask is not as effective as N95s nor surgical face masks. This is just protection from others if you happen to have COVID-19 but are not showing any symptoms. Also, its main use is if you are going to be in a location that's full of people, even when everyone is practicing the 6 feet apart rule. You do not have to wear this if you are walking in an empty street, for example. Also, once you are finished using your homemade face mask, please make sure to store it in a plastic bag or Ziploc bag. Once you come home, immediately put your face mask in the laundry or hamper. Wash and dry it before using it again. It's recommended to at least make 2 of these so that you have a spare one ready to go while the other one is waiting to be washed and cleaned. Be safe out there.